Flashbang, white screen, no field of vision. Can't see what you can't hear in the distance. Cause your head bust, I scope you like it's 1v1 or us. I keep that thing tucked, fuck it, can I let you up? Flashbang, white screen, no field of vision. Can't see what you can't hear in the...
What is up, you guys? Primal Motor here, coming at you with another vlog. I'm right now cruising with my buddy Andy, which is right there, and we are going to get us some good old God's chicken, if you know what I'm saying, that Chick-fil-A wave, you know, with the most polite people on this earth. And I think I'm gonna float right now. Get the smoke! It's not a static over here, boy. Where'd he go? Oh, he's way back there. But yeah, we're going to Chick-fil-A, get some chicken, and if you don't get the nuggets or a spicy chicken sandwich, we can't be friends. Yeah, we can't be friends. Sir, keep all limbs and your persons inside the vehicle at all times. What the fuck are you doing? Oh, no, he's working on the bike? I'm confused. Oh, he wants to pass these people. I don't blame him. Yeah! Oh, he cooking. He cook. Oh! Oh, shit! Oh, that was white. I love white people. And then the stand up. Yep. That's his signature move right there, if you didn't know. The stand up. Well, Athena's got some fresh oil in her. I just changed the oil today. She has a new tire on, obviously, that's how I'm riding. And don't these levers look so awesome? Dude, what are you doing, bro? Why you gotta interrupt me every time I'm talking? Yeah, I'm talking to you. But after Chick-fil-A, we're probably just gonna cruise around. I have no idea like where to. We're just riding the ride at the moment. And other than that, I will get back to you guys when we get back from Chick-fil-A. Peace. Fucking Christ, man! That's the second time in a row he's fucking beat me. That shit pisses me off. I fucking suck at rock, paper, scissors, shoot, dog. Absolutely suck. God bless it. Anyway, but I need you guys to give me some feedback in the comments, like how the video is sounding and looks wise. I need feedback on pretty much all that stuff. I want to know if the videos look crisp to you guys, if it sounds fine. That way I can make adjustments and move on from there. That would be very appreciative. Very, very appreciative. And this kid's about to get the smoke. Lean that bitch, boy. Gon' get! It's fucking hotter than the devil's ball sack out here. You like the mud flaps? You like the mud flaps on it? Do you like the mud flaps on it?
Rally.
Fucking crisp. Look at that full tuck at 40 miles an hour. Unbelievable. Right now? Right now. Right now! Yes! Oh, finally! No? Damn, that's it. What the fuck? Of course we fucking catch the non-green arrow. Oh my god, this place is fucking jumping. Damn, I can't believe he just winked at me. Oh my god. What? Dude, that dog is just staring into my soul.
Smoking with the Migos, it's just me and amigos. And I'm feeling like gold, woke up like Zilla. Yeah. John Lennon shades, mobbing around like a beetle. And I'm so cold, I said Frio. Yeah, bling, bling, bling. My accountant called, said I gotta be more accountable. That's all. I told him, that's cool, we can start when I get back to Monaco. That's all. Got a pool with a view and the scenery tropical. That's all.
Fucking Ray.
And I'm coming back looking tan as fuck like a Navajo. Bling, bling, bling. They don't get the picture like they service sucks. They hear me now, yeah, they heard of us. Hit the ground running on my hurry up. Landed on the green, first shot, just the birdie putt. And if you call me out, call it audible. And I'm rolling up the tree like it's the pot to go. Got a lot of things that lick me like an envelope. Put it on the plane, I'm just saying that's a lot of dough. Smoking with the Migos, it's just me and amigos. And I'm feeling like gold, woke up like CeeLo. Yeah. John Lennon shades, mobbing around like a beetle. And I'm so cold, I said Frio. Bling, bling, bling. It get chilly when you out here, dog. Guess I needed this Gucci fur after all. Got my girl, that his and hers to top it off. She's cool, free to kick it like a soccer mom. Yeah. Got a flight up in the morning, I ain't packing for no. Got a meeting with a suit, but I ain't slacking off. No. I don't even know the fucking pants slacks at all. No. Talking M's in my F-Shaw, sagging off. I don't bend, I don't break. My life too real to be fake. I got no time to engage in all the games that they play. Cause it can change in a day. The only people that saves the one that ain't in my way. Now I'm doing shit I promised I would never do. With some fake white chicks, feel like Ted Cruz. Got a nice watch, so they watch my every move. Hit my phone, but they ain't never getting through. All the smoking with the Migos, it's just me and amigos. And I'm feeling like gold, woke up like Zilla. Yeah. John Lennon shades, mobbing around like a beetle. And I'm so cold, I said Frio. Bling, bling, bling. Smoking with the Migos, it's just me and amigos. And I'm feeling like gold, woke up like CeeLo. Yeah. John Lennon shades, mobbing around like a beetle. And I'm so cold, I said Frio. Yeah, bling, bling, bling. My accountant called,
A few moments later.
Slamming on the brakes at fucking 100 miles an hour, bro. Fuck! Now I gotta find somewhere to fucking turn around. Pull over, I mean. There ain't nowhere to pull over here, man. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Where was he?
So, you know the intersection that turned yellow and I stopped you and through? He was coming off that way from the left. He was sitting right there. Because he watched you go, and then as soon as the light turned, he fucking went and he was going fast. And then he got on 81.
He might have thought I ran. He might have thought I ran and got on the highway. But I didn't. I kept coming this way. I don't know how he didn't see me because I pulled over to wait for you, and then I got your text cop, and I was like, I didn't respond or nothing. I fucking just went.
That's why I didn't.
I was fucked. I saw your cop, and I was like, I turned real fast. I put it in gear and fucking started.
You did that right in front of him. You gotta be careful with those blue headlights.
Slut. All right. Well. That scares out of the way. Let's do the speed limit on the way back. I probably won't do the speed limit on the way back, but whatever.
He's on the highway. He's gone.
Huh?
Yeah, people in downtown are probably getting pissed by us.
From us?
Yeah.
Why?
We're fucking loud.
Because we're fucking... We're not that loud, bro.
Downtown, I'd be pissed.
We're not that loud.
Okay. It's echoing off the buildings. You can fucking... It sounds like 10 times louder than it actually is.
Nah. It's all good. It's Saturday.
One eternity later.
Come on, man. Ride your bike real quick.
Nah, man.
Why not? Just real quick. I ain't gonna cap this helmet, so.
Thanks.
You got a camera on.
Yeah, GoPro.
Oh, are they on? YouTubers?
Yeah.
Y'all YouTubers?
Yeah.
Okay. What do y'all be doing? Help y'all. I'm a supporter. I support you.
he's gonna help out.
What do y'all do?